ProQuest databases at Center College Library contain an integrated AI research assistant. To access the research assistant, begin by searching for your topic in the main search bar. In this case, I am searching for microplastics. I've entered my very broad search term, and I will click search. Since I searched using a very broad term, I can use the filters on the left as usual to limit my search to peer-reviewed articles published in the last 12 months. And I can limit my location to the United States or another country if I'd like to. Once I've found an interesting article, like for example this one on the impact of microplastics in mouse gut microbiota, I can click on this source. If after reading this article it does indeed turn out to be useful, the integrated AI research assistant suggests similar sources here in the right-hand pane. So I could view any of those and see if any of them are equally useful. It also suggests search terms based on the terms used in my original article that might be useful. So I can click on any of these and conduct a new search, which may also provide interesting related articles.